guys, Anthony Rose. Today we're teaching you guys a pretty cool intermediate to advanced two-step pattern called the Sweetheart Reverse and Ronde. So before we get into it, we're going to show you guys what the pattern looks like, and then we're going to teach it to you guys. But if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss. We post things here all the time, tips and tricks and new patterns and everything. And by the way, so you've got the subscribe button, and then you have that little shiny bell button, so ring us. So we're going to demonstrate what it looks like. We have from promenade position, we're going to take her into sweetheart position and reverse her. And then we do this cool ronde. We come back over the head, and we're giving you guys this cool little pose at the end. All right? So that's all you need to know. You guys just go ahead and try that now.
Fancy.
Yeah. By the way, if there's anything you guys would like to see in some of these videos, leave us a comment down below. I mean, like, and we've really listened to the comments over time and read them and try to make the videos better. One thing that we got a lot of comments about, or you should dance it to music, so we're trying to add that in and make sure you include the feet when we're teaching, so all these things. So we're learning this as we go. So your comments are really helpful, even if it's like, I don't like dude's face. Like, just leave a comment down below. I mean, I can't fix my face, but you get the idea. All right. So this pattern is going to start out from promenade position, and we're going to walk her forward for a full basic. However, on that second slow, guys, you're actually going to bring the feet together. So we're going to go quick, quick, slow. We're going to lead her out in front as she takes one more step as I bring my feet together. That allows her to pass me just a little bit. From there, we're going to lead her for an inside turn with her left hand, and we're going to switch quick, quick, slow into this sweetheart position. By the way, this is sweetheart position. If you look at her sweetheart position, my hands are pretty much parallel to each other. Let's show you that much from this angle coming straight at you. So we have promenade position, quick, quick, slow, guys step together, and then we go quick, quick, slow. We're gonna have one more slow after that, but that's gonna be the reverse. So I'm gonna show you guys again from this angle. We have quick, quick, slow, together for slow. We're going to roll her in for quick, quick, slow. All right? From that point, we're going to basically allow her to almost take that next step, and then we're going to bring that left hand back over the head, all right, for that reverse. So the rotation for her is happening in between the two slows. So normally most things in two-step go quick, quick, slow, slow, and then there's a turn like from this basic when we go from the promenade. A lot of times we'll go quick, quick, slow, and then there's the slow, and then she turns for quick, quick, slow. But in this case, on that second slow, that's where we're going to back her up. Let's break down the footwork for both the guys and the ladies here. So the guy's footwork by himself is just going to be from promenade position. He's going to step forward, forward, forward. That's quick, quick, slow. And then he allows her to pass as he steps together. From here, he starts to roll her in as he steps forward, 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 and then he's going to rotate about a quarter of a turn as he hooks that right foot behind. And make sure, guys, that you get your weight onto the right foot. So you don't want to be in this position with the weight on the incorrect foot. So, guys, footwork again from promenade position is quick, quick, slow, together, which allows her to pass. And I'm stepping forward, 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 rotate, slow, and hook that foot behind and get your weight on that back foot. Ladies' footwork. So if you watch her footwork, ladies, so she is stepping forward, 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 forward. From promenade position, she's just going forward, 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 and forward. That extra step forward allows her to get a little bit past me. She's doing 3 half pivot turns. Actually, it's half, half, and then she's stepping. And then she's going to reverse and end up in kind of a spiraled type position. My left hand will come over top of her head. Now let's talk about the arms here. When we start this, we're basically in a basic, this is a basic dance hold. We're in promenade, which is just a rotation open from there. But if we go quick, quick, slow, slow, I'm gonna lead her inside. So if you look at this from this angle, I've got this space in between Rose and I'm gonna take that hand into that space for that turn. But as I do, I'm gonna let go of her from my back with my right hand, and I'm gonna roll her in to end up here. Now, if you look at the sweetheart position, my hands are on the outside. They're not over top and they're not contorted, and I'm certainly not squeezing and grabbing. So if I'm here, I'm in this closed position, and we're getting ready to do the turn. When she turns inwards, I'm taking that hand and catching it on the outside, right? From here, I'm in a good position with my hands on the outside to then just take that left hand back over her head. All right, so from there, we'll get up to that point and then we'll move on. We have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and over top. Now, really what we want at this point is we don't want to end up here. If my line of dance is this way, we don't want to reverse her and end up here, because if we do, the next thing she's going to do is kind of come around me, and she's got way too far to go. So we really want to end up to where we're kind of side to side. So guys, when we redirect her, we want to step out in front so that we're basically facing her, and she's doing about, what is that?
Like 3/4?
3/4 of a turn, yeah. So from this point, guys, you have a forward, forward, forward as she's walking forward, forward, forward for quick, quick, slow. I'm going quick, quick, slow. Now notice, now she has me in sweetheart. So if we were in this position from the sweetheart with her hands here, my hands on the outside, once we redirected her, I'm going to step under my left hand, taking my right hand to my shoulder for quick, quick, slow. So now she's in essentially the same position that I was in earlier, but we're still kind of facing outward. So we don't want to be here. We want to be kind of facing towards the side wall. So if we're in this position again, I'm facing basically the outside, kind of a little bit at an angle, but I'm going to go forward, forward, forward. Now my weight is on my left, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn to my right around my left foot, and then end up weight on my right foot. So let me just show you the guy's footwork here. So he's in this position, and he's going to step forward, forward, forward. I get my weight all the way in my left foot, and then I swivel off of that and step with my right. So we're going to be turning about, what is it, 7/8 of a turn or so, almost a full rotation. So if we're here, quick, quick, slow, slow. One tip, guys, when it comes to turning is that rotation always happens in between the steps. But now we have to define what a step is. A step is a weight change. So right now I'm on my right foot, and now on my left. So that step is a weight change. The rotation happens in between the periods of time that we actually take weight. So if I'm in this position, I'm going to go quick, quick, slow, turn, slow. Right? All right, ladies' footwork. This is where you're going to do your ronde. This is the cool stuff. So she's going to step quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now she's going to exchange weight and slow. Now keep in mind that that weight change, if she's here, she's going to be stepping forward for quick, quick, slow. She's going to put her weight down for and don't change weight until it hooks behind. So it's going to be quick, quick, slow, slow, but there's not going to be a weight change during that slow. So let's show you that again. So if we're here, we'll go quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow. We'll get to that. All right, guys, you have to be pretty stable here. She's going to be like pulling on you, right? You're turning to the right around your left foot, and her weight is attached to you. So you really, the thing about keeping your balance and being controlled is that your body has to be vertically positioned over that foot. Like I can stand on one foot as long as all of my weight is lined up over top of it. If I'm standing on one foot and I do this, then I start to fall. If everything's like, so everything's got to be vertical. So when we get into this position, guys, you're going to go quick, quick, slow. My weight's on my left foot. I have to stay on that left foot and crank her around until I get to my right. All right? I'm not saying it's easy. I'm saying it's going to be cool, but I'm not saying it's going to be easy.
Yeah.
You're going to use a little bit of torque of your shoulders. Not twerk. You're going to use torque of your shoulders.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little torque.
I love my job. All right, so we go quick, quick, slow. We're going to torque that shoulder, which creates her rotation. Don't try to do that with your arms, guys. So you're just basically in that position and turning your shoulders that she's attached to, all right? So let's do that up to that point from the beginning. We have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, so guys' footwork after the ronde. So guys have gotten to this position. It's slow, slow. From here, she's starting to move her way around, and we're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow. Let me show you that together. So we're here, and we go quick, quick, slow, slow, forward, back, back, forward. All right? So again, guys' footwork here is he's going slow, and now he's gonna step forward, replace, back, forward. And the timing for that, the rhythm for that is still quick, quick, slow, slow. So it's just straight two-step rhythm. So watch my footwork again. We have quick, quick, slow, slow, forward, replace, back, forward. All right, ladies, so you got a lot of ground to cover here. And one thing I'll give you guys as a tip is that you guys need to be really close together whenever you guys do this. You're gonna get too far back and pull down.
Yeah. And same as the leader, the followers have to be really stable on the leg that they're turning on, because when you go and you kick this out, it's gonna make you wanna go all the way here. So you gotta make sure that you're really grounded on this leg.
Anything that extends away from your body has weight. So the same reason if I were standing on one foot and I put one arm right there, I'd probably keep it, but if I put two arms out there, it just has that extra weight. That leg is coming away from the body and has a centrifugal force, and it's gonna be pulling you over. So you really, ladies, when you get there, like she said, is you gotta be stable on that foot and keep your body here, because that leg creating that momentum is liable to pull you over too. So
and point your toe.
Yeah, don't learn to do rondes from me.
Cute.
Right, so if we go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Okay, so ladies, your footwork. You're coming forward for quick, quick, slow. Now you're taking that step for slow. You're gonna hook it behind, step, step. That's quick, quick, slow. Now you're going to start by doing a half a rotation for slow. So if you watch her, she's not waiting. There's two ways you can do a spiral or a pivot. We're teaching you with a pivot because it's a little bit easier for you guys. But if we're here, she'll go quick, quick, slow, slow, back, slow, slow. Let's talk about the lead here for the guys, because you've got to lead that in between the two slows so that she knows to rotate in between those two slows. When she's here, I've got both hands, they're on my shoulders, and it's hopefully pretty steady. Now from here, my right hand comes over, but the lead here, I'm not gonna lead her to turn with that right hand. The hand that I have down here, this hand is pulling inwards. So when she does that last turn, instead of me trying to take that over her head, I'm actually keeping this more or less stable and pulling from the bottom arm. All right, so from here again, we'll go quick, quick, slow, slow. Now I'm gonna take this hand up, but I'm pulling with the left hand to bring it back up and over top of her head again. So let's break that last little piece down just a little bit farther. So we have quick, quick, slow, slow, forward. Now pull with the left arm, take the right hand over, the left hand over, bring them both down into a forward bow tie. That's what that's called, actually. I didn't make it up. So, but if we're here, we'll end up in this position. Now, if you look at this, my right hand is right into her center, her left hand is right into my center. All right, so this is where we're gonna finish that part. So if we do this from this angle, we have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Pull with the left, right hand comes over, left hand comes over, and then it comes down. And that is just straight, quick, quick, slow, slow. Okay, so let's talk about this ending here. So we have finished with the leaders forward on the right foot, the followers forward on the left. From here, we are now gonna reverse her the opposite direction, so she's turning to the left. The left hand comes up, we end up kind of in a sweetheart position. Once we got hit, now the right hand comes up and the left hand goes to her armpit. It curves in. Then from there, I'm basically gonna start letting go of the right hand as I lead her from that arm, duck her under, and slide down to the hand. Let me break that down again. So we have both hands. The left hand comes up, the right hand comes up, the left hand stays where it's at. I lead her from that upper arm and extend out. All right, so let me show you what that looks like all at one time. So if we go slow, slow, quick, 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 slow. All right, that was really hard for me. I mean, I had to stand in one place that entire time, right? But the left hand comes up, it ends up in the sweetheart position. Now, if you look at this, my right hand is gonna continue rotating because her body is still rotating, but my left hand is basically gonna go to about her armpit. This hand's gonna come over top one more time, and then we extend out and we can do whatever pattern it is that we wanna do next in two steps. So let me break down the entire thing one little, like as a recap, the entire pattern. So we start in promenade position, leader forward for quick, quick, slow. The guys step together for slow, sweetheart, quick, quick, slow, and reverse, forward, 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 ronde, forward, back, boom. Now forward bow tie, and we have this entire cool thing there at the end. Yes, if you guys have questions, comments, suggestions, whatever, I mean, literally just leave them down below. And if you guys could do something, just seriously let us know what you guys would like to see, because like we want to produce this content. Like what's going to be helpful for you guys? That's what we want to. What is going to help you? What is some cool thing like you either want to learn, or hey, having trouble with my balance. I'm having trouble with my posture. Like I'm going out and this guy asked me to dance and he's just jerking me around. Is it me? Is it him? Like I don't. I mean, you don't have to like comment that stuff, but whatever it is that you guys want to know about, like we're here to help. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, be sure to subscribe, and if you guys need anything, just let us know.